The body is always moving, even in stillness. The heart pulses, the lungs rise and fall. Tiny currents run through nerves, healing unfolds in quiet, invisible waves. In a previous video, I shared 5 ways balance reveals itself in nature. Today, let's take a look at how these expressions show up with rhythmic precision in the body. Balance is fluid motion. Every breath is an act of rebalancing. Inhale, exhale. Oxygen in, tension out. The vestibular system tucked inside the inner ear detects tilt, rotation, and movement through fluid-filled canals, helping you to stand upright, move with stability, and know where you are in space. The muscular system works with the skeletal system to adjust posture and movement in real time, recalibrating constantly. Balance is movement, not stillness. Rhythms shape all things. Our bodies follow internal clocks, circadian rhythms, hormone waves, sleep cycles, digestion patterns. Our internal clock syncs to light and dark, guiding sleep, digestion, and alertness. Melatonin and cortisol levels shift across the day. Blood pressure rises in the morning and lowers at night. When these patterns are honored, balance is sustained. When disrupted, stress accumulates. Life moves best when it moves in rhythm. Adaptation creates stability. The body is always optimizing, adjusting toward balance, function, and inner harmony. The endocrine system releases hormones in response to changing environments. The hypothalamus monitors internal states and sends signals to regulate body temperature, hydration, and energy levels. Balance isn't found by forcing conditions. It's found by responding to them. The body regulates blood pH, blood sugar, fluid levels, and temperature. The automatic nervous system, through its sympathetic and parasympathetic branches, adjusts heart rate, breathing, digestion, and immune activity around the clock. These invisible systems maintain stability behind the scenes. Limits keep systems in harmony. Boundaries within protect the body. Cell membranes control what enters and exits. The blood-brain barrier limits exposure to harmful substances. Even your sleep cycle depends on boundaries. Melatonin signals when to rest, and sunlight tells the body when to wake. Balance needs limits. Limits create space for repair and renewal. Balance is motion. Balance is rhythm. Balance is return. It lives in the inhale and the exhale. Like nature, the body doesn't freeze in place. It shifts, flows, and recalibrates, always seeking and finding harmony through ease and efficiency. And if you'd like to explore this journey more deeply, I've created a beautiful free companion guide for you waiting inside the Fruitiful Soul Society, a free-to-join community filled with fresh resources like journal prompts that go with this video, and so much more. And if you haven't yet, I invite you to click that subscribe button. In the upcoming videos, we'll explore how disease often begins and how nature's wisdom can guide the body back to balance. If you're still here listening, drop a heart in the comments. I would love to know who's here with me on this journey. And as always, stay fruitful, you beautiful soul.